Hi guys, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I am going to take the time to show you this beautiful brand new Grand Design Reflection 295 RL fifth wheel. This is a brand new 24 model. Just came in. I'll do a nice little walk around on the outside, inside, and we'll go ahead and see what you think. Okay guys, starting up front, big fiberglass front cap, nice big power awning, dual 30-pound tanks, pass-through storage with battery disconnect, motion sensor lighting, leash hitch area, nice aluminum solid step-ups with nice big grab handle, nice big slide out with secondary awning. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. It's a little noisy with the highway traffic, busy area. TV inputs, outlet, beautiful white exterior, rear roof access ladder, backup camera ready, nice 2-inch receiver already installed, ready to go with 4-way flat wiring. And just like that, crickets, literally crickets. It gets a little quiet when the highway traffic stops. Again, big slide out. You got your power hookup right here. This is 50 amp service, furnace vent, Furrion on-demand water heater. Nice, convenient, all-in-one docking station. Gray tanks, black tank dumps, shower, electronic push-button auto leveling. Nice big pass-through with magnets and slam latches, and your secondary 30-pound LP tank. And this is the 150 series, catering towards the half ton. This is about 9,000 pounds dry. Kurt hitch up front. Nice popular real living floor plan. 2 slides opposing the back. We'll go inside, take a peek, and see what you think. Alright, let me adjust this here for just a second. So big rear living floor plan. Real spacious. Nice portable ottoman here at the dinette. Instead of your standard dinette, you have the ottoman, you have the table and chairs. The chairs move as well. Nice, comfortable Thomas Paine theater seats. These do recline and have massage and heat. Tri-fold sleeper sofa in the back. Additional windows, a lot of nice natural light that will come in here. Great storage. And one of my favorite features in the rear living room that is designed actually well, the fireplace is right in front of you. You're not turning your head left, turning your head right to enjoy the ambiance of the flames or to watch TV. No more sore necks. Have a cold beer, your favorite cocktail, watch your favorite sporting event or favorite program, and just be comfortable and relax. Nice big pantry. The center island is nice. It's got a big single basin stainless steel sink. No more worrying about your hot pans sticking and melting to the side walls. Furrion fridge freezer. This is a 12-volt system. The battery will be charged up by your solar panel. already on board. Furrion 3-burner cooktop. Outlets on both sides. Big microwave. Again, more storage. I'm stepping back here just to give you a little bit better view. Additional prep area. If you like to cook, you like to have cocktails, you just have a nice area that's out of the way too for all your extra goodies. Great storage. Nice little pockets to kick your shoes. We'll go up into the master. Nice step-in shower. Ceiling fan. Hood vents, skylight, medicine cabinet. Additional sink. Plenty of room for your medical needs and towels, and even a nice towel hanger. In the master suite, great storage above the bed, charging ports, outlets, nice little trays for CPAP machines. And then at the foot of the bed, big chest of drawers. More like a full closet if you ask me, but great storage. Hopefully I'll try to step back here a little bit better so you can get a better view. Really nice functional barn doors. They really open up the room, and they, when retracted, give you a lot of space. Fully ducted heat AC. TV prepped for the bedroom. Nice night lights on both sides. Just a really beautiful product from Grand Design. This is in the 150 class, kind of catering towards those lighter 3/4 tons or real heavy duty half tons. Again, you're looking about 9,000 pounds dry. My name is Michael Koski with Bullion RV. If you have any questions, thoughts, give me a call, 218-740-4968. Questions, comments, like, share. We love all that on YouTube. We really appreciate you guys. And again, thoughts, questions, concerns, let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you for taking the time, and have yourselves a great day. Michael Koski with Bullion RV.